Yo, Pablo with a lion paw. We're strangling ourselves, we're killing our own culture, we're killing our own race. Father God, intervene. I'm a son of the soil, I'm born of gold, I shall not thirst. Thanks for paying attention, you get a tenfold from extensions. Yeah, what I'm searching for, I've never seen it. Can't see it with my eyes. Gotta go spiritual, so help me Lord. Don't know if I can contain it. Coulda burst every muscle and every vein. Coulda make me grow beyond the norm. Coulda be like Venom in a reptile. Maybe already got it and I just don't know. Coulda help me shift the paradigm. Coulda give me a different view of life. Is it strong? No, it's powerful. Am I wrong? No, I'm right. And I'm left with the aha effect. This is the father of all respect. This is born of greatness. This is made of extensions. This is growth in major aspects. So it make me rich. No, it gives me wealth, happiness, good health, adequate sleep. You were lucky to experience it, but you were blessed to have it. Tune into extensions, be fueled from within. This is the hybrid. This is the hybrid. Level mundo kumusoro ku high fields. This is the hybrid. This is the hybrid. Paden pasaku kana couch rajabu. Yeah, military discipline. Mushino bika njanji. Tripu krakavarwa. Nsandi jaji. Andina kava. Sandi yere nika sava. Nsandi punze kwa ndava. Dipunze kwa ndakananga. Andiziwe. Ndezwa jaja. GATG Palma.